What is going on, YouTube? It is 2019 and I want to start this video off by wishing everybody a happy new year full of health, success, joy, and wealth, and everything good to you guys. Thank you for supporting me in these videos. You have no idea how much it means to me. I want to make this a great year for everybody, so let's kick off 2019 right and make it great. You are now watching part 4 of the E39 rebuild. If you haven't seen the rest of the videos or the previous videos yet, click the links down in the description so you can update yourself. But let's talk about what happened in part 3. Part 3, I basically gave you guys a update on the bumper, and I showed you a little bit about how the car is doing in the body shop. And in this video, I'm going to be updating you guys again on what's going on in the body shop and what we have coming up ahead. So one of the things that I've decided to have the body shop do is repair the crack in the rear bumper that I've talked about in previous videos by the exhaust tip. It's a very big crack that kind of bothers me, so I'm having them replace the entire bumper and painting it, taking it off from the parts car and putting it on our car and painting it. I also am repairing a rust spot that I found on the side of the car, and yeah, but the car is looking fantastic so far. They replaced the front core support already. They put on that M5 bumper. Radiator was put in there just so you can align everything correctly, and the fender was fixed. We straightened out the fender on that side that I talked to you guys about, and yeah, it's looking great, guys. Let's check it out in this next video, and let me know in the comments below how you feel about what it's looking like so far, because I think it looks great. Let's check it out. All right, as you guys can see, they got the M5 style bumper on there. See that about to be painted and everything. All the mounts right here, you know, you got the core support, everything in here, everything got put in, radiator, everything on this engine looks better than it did before. Everything looks like a car again. You know what I mean? I like how it looks. That fender got straightened out, but this car is looking sick. I'm telling you guys, this car is magnificent. Look at that. It looks like a car again, and then on the right side, you got the headlight back in there. I mean, come on, check that out. That is looking like a beast. And in the back, I got the the rear bumper going again. I had that crack in the rear bumper that they're taking care of. They replaced the rear bumper from the parts car. See at the bottom left where the exhaust goes, there used to be a crack in the hole, and they're taking care of all of that. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna take care of all of that, and also this little rust spot right here is gonna be taken care of. But stay tuned. We're gonna see the end product. Man, that thing is looking so sick. I love how it looks. I know this car is gonna look amazing when it's done. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about it so far, how it's looking, but I think it looks beautiful. Let's talk about the future of this car. So this car should be out of the body shop by the end of the week, and when it's out, I want to do all the maintenance on this car. When you buy a car from Copart, you don't really know the history of the car. You don't really get like Carfax, you know, you don't really know what's behind it. But I still want to do the maintenance on this car, so I'm going to be doing the motor oil, the transmission fluid, the differential fluid, spark plugs, and we're going to be doing all of this to ensure that the car runs very nicely. But I'm just going to show you guys a clip of some of the products I purchased. I've purchased all OEM products from Germany. So let's just take a look at what I bought, and I'll leave links in the description if you want to buy one and where I got it from. Alright, you guys, let's see what we're working with. Right here we have the Hengst oil filter. Really good stuff. I try to go OE on everything OEM, so you'll see made in Germany on a lot of this stuff. This is a really good brand. I like Liquid Moly motor oil. It's fully synthetic. Got about 10 quarts right here because that V8 drinks a lot of this stuff, but I like the brand a lot. Right here you have this transmission fluid. A lot of foreign writing on it, but this is very, very good stuff. Made in Germany. Really recommend it. This right here we have the fully synthetic gear oil. We're going to use for that diff. Red Line synthetic oil. We're going to use this stuff. It's really good. And we got the NGK spark plugs. We're going to need 8 of these, so I got 2 boxes. It's a V8, so you're going to need 8. Right here I have the Actually, we have the Victor Ryan's gasket that we're going to use on the oil pan, because I just forgot to tell you guys this. The oil pan on the other car is actually dented and it's starting to leak oil, so I went ahead and got a gasket for it. Victor Ryan's, very good brand. And I bought another oil pan that we're going to have to put on the car because there's a dent. Looks like the person who owned it previously hit something and it's starting to leak oil, so we're gonna have to put this new one on. But yeah, that's about it, guys. As you can see, I bought all the maintenance stuff that I'm getting prepped for when the car gets out of the body shop. It's kind of hard to find a good deal on this stuff, man. A lot of these fluids are really expensive. I recommend just looking on Amazon and eBay and just scrolling through, go on Google and type it in and trying to find the best deals, because some of this fluid stuff's expensive, man. But at the end, when this rebuild is done, I will be giving you guys all the prices on how much the whole rebuild cost me, just so you guys can understand, you know, the rebuild process. It can be expensive sometimes. So yeah, but this is a quick video, guys. I just wanted to show you guys what's going on with this car. I know everyone's excited. I'm excited too, but let's make 2019 a great year. I have so many big plans for this channel, and I want all of us to grow together, and man, I'm just excited. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, if you want to check out the other videos, I'm going to leave links in the description. But for now, guys, let's kick off 2019 great, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.